welcome back to my channel. I'm Deni, and today I have a Ricky's Cult Crushes box. So I was put on the PR list for March for Ricky's Cult Crushes, and they sent me this box for my review. So I am going to be opening it right in front of you guys for the first time. This is the first time I've ever gotten this box, and I'm very excited. I've heard only great things about this box and only seen great things about this box. So I really hope that March is an amazing box. So just for reference, Ricky's Cult Crushes is a $11 a month subscription, and I know currently they have a waiting list, and I believe it's till May. So that can just tell you how popular this box is. I am so grateful to be seeing this and receiving it, and here we go. Ooh, okay, so the first thing I see is big bubbles. They packed it really nice, and I see some black and pink and silver, you know, worms in here. Ooh, okay, the first thing that popped out to me is this beauty blender. This is the Ricky's Care non-latex beauty sponge, and I believe I've had one of these in the past, and I believe that I really liked it. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. Usually I wouldn't go ahead and open things, but I think that the beauty blender that I currently have is probably on its last leg, so you know I'm gonna be needing a new blender, so it's so great that I actually got one. Yes, I remember it. Yes, this guy is so soft. If you are familiar with the original beauty blender, this one feels very similar in the density of that because they're very spongy and airy. They have a different texture from like the Real Technique ones. This one is a little bit more bouncier, so I'm already happy because this blender I know is going to be really good based on previous trials. So then I see a card in here. Let me grab that. So there is a card in here. It was just under things. So the card this month says, Cult Crushes, thank you Cult Crushes for allowing me to put my own spin on this month's box. I love the products that can do it all, and I wanted items that can go big and play safe. It's not as much about the product as it is the preference of creativity, and I guess this box was curated by this lovely influencer, which I am not too familiar with, sorry, but she is beautiful and she has awesome eye makeup in this picture. Slay girl. And then it lists everything that's in the box, so we're not going to go ahead and look at that. The next thing that I see is a liquid eyeliner by the brand Palladio. I'm not sure if I'm pronouncing that right, but it looks to be like a black liquid liner. Yes, it is a black liquid liner. I'm not familiar with this brand at all, but can't say no to a good liquid liner, so we will be testing this guy out in the future. So then the next thing that I'm seeing in here is the LA Girl Pro Prep High Definition Smooth Face Primer, and I've seen this a bunch of times when I go to CVS, but I've never grabbed it. I usually don't buy primers from the drugstore for some reason, just because we're constantly getting primers in boxes, and I have to use those up before I would even think about purchasing one of my own. But if I was going to purchase one, I would like to go with an affordable brand, and I know that LA Girl is a affordable brand. So very excited to try this out in the future as well. Ooh, I see they sent me a sticker. Stickers are always fun. I love sticking them inside my drawers. And then I see, ooh, super exciting. So I see this pack of lashes from House of Lashes. I've never tried any of their lashes. They sent me these guys right here, which are in the, what is that, the style Temptress, which look very fluttery and full and dramatic. My style exactly. And OMG, the last thing that I'm seeing in here, wow, they sent a full palette from the bomb, and this is Meet Matte Matrimony. I didn't even know that they were gonna send a full palette. Well, I didn't know what they were gonna send, but I don't have this palette. Wow. Okay, let me open this guy up. So this is the palette itself. It comes with a big mirror. I was just gonna do that kind of awkwardly. So this is the palette right here. Let me take a minute to look at it. This is nice. So I love berry shades just on a regular basis. They are my go-to colors. Mauves, berries, I just love them. So this guy definitely will be getting some use. Normally when we get stuff like this from the bomb in subscription boxes, it's like a tiny box that is like the size of one of these pans, and then it's like a, I don't know, like a quarter of that. So I am super excited that there is a full-size palette in here, one that I didn't have. Wow, $11, guys. Ricky's Cold Crushes is doing something to me. I need to have this box. So I don't know the price of this particular palette. Let me see if there are prices on. No, they don't tell me anything about prices on the. They should really put prices on here so that we can see what the value is. So I'm gonna have to go offline and put the value of all of these things. I'm pretty sure that this palette is way more than $11. So I pay more than that for just a blender. And you also got some House of Lashes lashes, which are pretty awesome. All in all, this is such a good box, not just because they sent it to me for my review, but because I was not expecting a full-size palette. Definitely trying this guy out. Eyeliner. Wow, I am very wild. Usually I'm not this wild, but Ricky's, yes, I am very glad that I got this box. So if you're interested in a box of your own, like I said, the wait is till May, but definitely try to get yourself on that list, because eventually, you know, this box is on the up and up. So if you like this video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up. Go ahead and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Become a member of my Gonz fam. And as always, from my house to yours, love ya.